Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. You have Windows 11 and enough free space. Use an administrator account. Next, open Edge, do not tinker with settings, and locate the Chrome download from Google. Once on the download prompt, choose the standard installer for Windows 11 and click Download. The installer is small and will fetch the rest. Make sure to read the installer prompt. It requests permission to run. If asked, accept terms so the process can continue without interruption. You run the installer by double-clicking the downloaded file and respond to the user account control prompt. Once the setup window appears, select the default install so Chrome configures updates and sandboxing automatically. While files download, the installer writes components to program files. This can take a minute. After installation, the browser opens. Sign in with your Google account to sync bookmarks, passwords, and settings, or skip and create a local profile. Either option is reversible. You finish by adjusting defaults and imports. Set Chrome as your default browser via Settings, Apps, Default Apps, and import bookmarks or passwords from Edge or another browser through Chrome settings. Make sure extensions come only from trusted sources. If installation fails, first run the installer as administrator, then temporarily disable third-party antivirus or firewall if it blocks the installer. Once done, restart Windows, rerun the installer, and verify Chrome launches and updates automatically. That usually resolves remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.